Azure management and governance is a crucial aspect of the Microsoft Azure ecosystem. It encompasses a variety of tools and features designed to help organizations efficiently manage and deploy their Azure resources. This presentation will delve into the key components, tools, and best practices for managing and deploying Azure resources, providing a comprehensive understanding of how to maintain control, ensure compliance, and optimize performance in the cloud. Azure Resource Manager (ARM) is the deployment and management service for Azure. It provides a consistent management layer that enables you to create, update, and delete resources in your Azure account. ARM allows you to manage your infrastructure through declarative templates rather than scripts, ensuring that resources are deployed in a consistent state. It also supports role-based access control, RBAC, which helps you manage who has access to your resources. The Azure Portal is a web-based application that provides a unified interface for managing Azure resources. It allows users to build, manage, and monitor everything from simple web apps to complex cloud deployments. The portal offers dashboards for a customizable, at-a-glance view of your resources, and it supports various tools and services, including Azure Monitor, Azure Security Center, and Azure Cost Management. The intuitive interface makes it easier for users to navigate and manage their Azure environment. Azure Command Line Interface, CLI, is a set of commands used to create and manage Azure resources. It is designed to be easy to learn and get started with, but powerful enough to manage your most complex deployments. Azure CLI is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, and it can be used in the Azure Cloud Shell or installed locally. It supports automation scripts, making it a versatile tool for managing Azure resources programmatically. Azure PowerShell is a set of commandlets for managing Azure resources directly from the PowerShell command line. It provides a powerful scripting environment that allows you to automate complex and repetitive tasks. Azure PowerShell is integrated with the Azure Resource Manager, enabling you to deploy, manage, and monitor resources in a consistent manner. It is particularly useful for administrators who are already familiar with PowerShell scripting. Azure Resource Graph is a service designed to extend Azure Resource Management by enabling efficient exploration of your resources at scale. It provides the ability to query and explore your Azure resources using a powerful query language. This tool is particularly useful for gaining insights into your resource inventory, managing large-scale environments, and ensuring compliance with organizational policies. Resource Graph Explorer in the Azure portal provides a graphical interface for building and running queries. Azure Policy is a service in Azure that you use to create, assign, and manage policies. These policies enforce different rules and effects over your resources, so those resources stay compliant with your corporate standards and service level agreements. Azure Policy helps you manage and prevent IT issues with policy definitions that enforce rules and effects for your resources. It integrates with Azure Resource Manager, making it easier to apply policies across your entire environment. Azure Blueprints enable cloud architects and central information technology groups to define a repeatable set of Azure resources that implement and adhere to an organization's standards, patterns, and requirements. Blueprints are used to automate the deployment of resource templates and other artifacts, such as role assignments, policy assignments, and resource groups. This ensures that environments are built consistently and in compliance with organizational standards. Azure Cost Management and Billing helps you understand your Azure invoice, manage your billing account, and monitor and control Azure spending and cost. It provides tools to track resource usage and manage costs across all your clouds with a single, unified view. Features include cost analysis, budgeting, and recommendations for optimizing your cloud spending. This tool is essential for ensuring that your organization stays within budget and maximizes the value of its Azure investment. Azure Monitor is a comprehensive solution for collecting, analyzing, and acting on telemetry from your cloud and on-premises environments. It helps you maximize the availability and performance of your applications and services. Azure Monitor provides a full stack of monitoring capabilities, including application insights, log analytics, and alerting. It integrates with other Azure services to provide a unified view of your infrastructure, enabling proactive management and troubleshooting. Azure Security Center is a unified infrastructure security management system that strengthens the security posture of your data centers and provides advanced threat protection across your hybrid workloads in the cloud and on premises. It offers continuous assessment, security recommendations, and advanced threat detection. Security Center integrates with Azure Defender to provide comprehensive security management and threat protection, helping you safeguard your Azure resources against evolving cyber threats. Azure Automation provides a way to automate the creation, deployment, monitoring, and maintenance of resources in your Azure environment. It includes process automation, configuration management, and update management. Azure Automation allows you to automate frequent, time-consuming, and error-prone cloud management tasks, freeing up time for more strategic work. It supports the use of runbooks, which are collections of tasks that perform specific operations, and integrates with other Azure services for seamless automation. Azure DevOps provides developer services to support teams in planning work, collaborating on code development, and building and deploying applications. It includes Azure repos for source control, Azure pipelines for continuous integration and delivery, Azure boards for work tracking, Azure test plans for testing, and Azure artifacts for package management. Azure DevOps enables you to deliver software faster and more reliably with a set of modern development services that support the entire software development lifecycle. Azure Resource Locks are a feature that helps you prevent accidental deletion or modification of your Azure resources. By applying a lock, you can ensure that critical resources are protected from changes that could impact your environment. There are two types of locks: cannot delete, which prevents deletion, and read-only, which prevents any modifications. Resource locks are managed through the Azure Portal, Azure CLI, or Azure PowerShell, providing flexibility in how you secure your resources. Azure Service Health provides personalized alerts and guidance when Azure service issues affect you. It helps you understand the impact of issues on your resources and provides actionable insights to help you mitigate downtime. Service Health includes Azure Status, which informs you about service outages, and Resource Health, which provides information about the health of your individual resources. This tool is essential for maintaining the reliability and availability of your Azure services. Azure Advisor is a personalized cloud consultant that helps you follow best practices to optimize your Azure deployments. It analyzes your resource configuration and usage telemetry and provides recommendations to help you improve the cost-effectiveness, performance, security, and reliability of your Azure resources. Advisor integrates with Azure Monitor and Azure Security Center, offering a comprehensive view of your environment and actionable insights to enhance your cloud operations. Azure Lighthouse provides advanced capabilities for cross- and multi-tenant management, enabling managed service providers, MSPs, and enterprises to manage multiple Azure tenants from a single control plane. It offers features such as delegated resource management, enhanced visibility, and comprehensive security controls. Azure Lighthouse helps organizations scale their operations, improve efficiency, and maintain control over their Azure environments, making it easier to manage large and complex cloud deployments. Azure Arc extends Azure management and governance capabilities to on-premises, multi-cloud, and edge environments. It allows you to manage and secure your entire IT estate from a single control plane. With Azure Arc, you can deploy Azure services anywhere, apply consistent policies, and ensure compliance across all your environments. It supports Kubernetes clusters, servers, and data services, providing a unified management experience that simplifies operations and enhances governance. Effective management and deployment of Azure resources require a comprehensive understanding of the available tools and features. By leveraging services like Azure Resource Manager, Azure Policy, Azure Monitor, and Azure DevOps, organizations can ensure their Azure environments are secure, compliant, and optimized for performance. Best practices include automating repetitive tasks, implementing robust security measures, and continuously monitoring and optimizing resource usage. Staying informed about new features and updates in Azure is also crucial for maintaining an efficient and effective cloud environment.